Have you ever heard somebody say that they have a built engine, or the engine was built, or they say built motor in an ad, or when they're talking about the performance numbers of their car? This time on Low Boost, I'm going to go over exactly what that means in a couple of different ways. Here we go. In the last video, I talked about what a stock bottom end is on most engine applications. This episode, we're going to talk about what built is. Built is a generic term that car folks use to describe the bottom end of their engine being completely reinforced, whether that be the crankshaft, the connecting rods, or the pistons. Some engines, let's say, like for example, the engine that you find in the E36 M3, it's called the S50 or S52 depending on the year. Those engines can handle a lot more power when you build them. So that means having H-beam forged connecting rods, upgraded pistons that can handle more power, maybe a better crank that can handle more power that you would do on your car, so that you can actually handle the extra power that you're pushing into it.
This could also mean putting better sleeves in the cylinder walls that can handle much more power.
Because when you want to make extra horsepower, you're just having a more violent explosion in the cylinder, and if the piston can't handle that, it'll crack or break. And that's what you essentially call blowing your engine. Or the connecting rod ends up bending under the force that the piston is being pushed back down on from the explosion that's going on in your engine, and that could cause a catastrophic failure.
This episode is brought to you by Extreme Powerhouse. Whether you have a BMW, a Kia Stinger, an Audi, or a Ford Mustang, make sure you check them out. They have a number of performance parts for a ton of different makes and models. And if you go on there and use my coupon code that I'll put in the description below, you'll get access to some extra special discounts.
So what people do is they reinforce their engine parts with all really high quality, high strength parts that can handle all of that. And depending on how much you want to spend, you can go down the rabbit hole of a built motor and spend $5,000, $15,000, $50,000 on whatever application you're looking for. When people are talking about built motors, that's generally what they're talking about, to be able to handle a lot more power. If you like these car explanations, make sure to let me know in the comments below and to hit the like button, just so I know you guys like this, and I'll keep on making more of these. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.